Good morning, Texans. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Friends, today is a B day, so you will see periods 2, 4, 6, and 8 in your remote learning today. Periods 2, 4, 6, and 8, the even numbers. You'll see those classes today. Students, I just want to thank you. You have dealt with some curveballs here recently with respect to Zoom going out yesterday morning and then kind of coming back in intermittently. And then as I understand it, it got stronger throughout the day. So I'm glad that that worked out. Moodle being kind of in and out, those kinds of things. What I'm really proud of is that you guys have been very diligent to stay on top of where you need to be for your lessons. You're making sure that you're in contact with your teachers. Some of you have even reached out to me and said, what do I need to do? I need to find this information. And so I've tried to help you out in that kind of thing. But what I really like is that you are pursuing your education. You are going after your learning, and that is truly, truly important for you now and even in the future. So just super proud of you, super proud of how we conducted ourselves in the Zooms yesterday. I heard of 0 issues, absolutely none, and that's what we want. So continue to do a good job of interacting with one another, interacting with your teachers, supporting your teachers, because guys, your teachers are doing a lot right now. They're doing a lot right now. They'll be doing a lot more as they get ready to welcome some of you back in person. And so this has been a big, big challenge on our teachers. So thank you, students, for taking care of your teachers by engaging meaningfully in the work of school. It means the world to them, and it means the world to me. So thank you for that. Students, I'm going to send a feedback form to you pretty soon. If not today, then in the next couple of days. And in that feedback form, what I'm going to ask you to do is let me know what your thoughts are as we get ready to return to in-person learning. I'm looking for ideas for what do we do to make you feel safe in the transitions between classes with respect to social distancing, those kinds of things. We are welcoming back all but about, I think it's 450-ish of our students who have opted to stay with remote learning going forward. So that means that we're talking about pretty close to 1,600 students who will actually be in the building. And so what we need to do is we need to figure out what the social distancing looks like for hallway transitions, for cafeteria and lunches. What do things need to look like in the classroom? What are the things that you as students are concerned about? What ideas do you have? I'm really looking for ideas, because as we're working as an administrative team to address all of these things as we get ready for our students to come back to in-person learning, and we have a good idea of what our numbers are and everything, we need to make sure that we have those procedures clearly outlined and that we're able to tell you what those procedures are so that you know all of the rules of engagement as you come back in, and make sure that we're really clear on those expectations. So I am looking for student feedback, student ideas, any suggestions that you have in terms of what do you feel like we need to do to keep you safe as you return to in-person learning coming up pretty soon. So look for that. That'll come on a Google form. I'll probably send it out in an email just to make sure that everybody gets a hold of it, because you can get it on your student email and that'll be easy to access. And I appreciate in advance your help and suggestions on that. Those are all the announcements I have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to having you back, and I hope you make it a great day.